Good morning. It's Farmer Black back at you doing another video editorial. I'm gonna call this one potash. Now this is just an experiment. I do look at fertilizers and I've been reading up on potash and what exactly is potash. But where it appears, it seems like you can make your own potash as well. It's just basically burn down wood and the ashes. So as you can see, most typical people that live out in the county, some burn their trash and burn the wood and the limbs and the leaves. Most times I don't always recommend burning your leaves. As I said in some of my videos, that's great compost. But this editorial is on just basically, as you can see, I burned some of my tree limbs. I got a bunch of tree limbs. So as I burn my tree limbs, and the way again, this is just an experiment. I have to do a part 2 on this one as well. But as you see, I gathered up my, I don't know if you can see inside the barrel, but just scooped up some of the ash. After, of course, be mindful. Of course, make sure it cools down. As it cools down, like I said, we have had a couple days of rain, so I know this is just basically, it's not hot. It's cooled down. Potash. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show you one of my raised gardens, and this is June 2021, so I probably won't see the results for this until maybe the fall. I'll probably put something in. I'm just starting this one. It's my first time is this as well. I just put some straw down as the bedding to help keep help with, I don't know, just really I just know that we put it down for grass. So I say this is just an experiment with potash and lining the bottom of my raised garden with straw. We'll try to fill this up, layer this with potash, and then fill it up with some topsoil and some of that Farmer Black, and we'll see how it goes. Again, this is part 1. We'll title this one Experimental Potash. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on YouTube, Farmer Black, and we'll see how, follow along with me. Let's see how this experiment goes. Thank you again. Peace be.